You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to tons of useful videos for you to learn more at the end of this video. There are two different pronunciations, and it's not a British English, American English pronunciation thing, UK versus US for once. Both pronunciations are used all across the English-speaking world. Two pronunciations are version, version, with a sh sound. The Americans would say it similarly as version, okay? Now, in the UK, the other pronunciation is also version, version, while in the US they say it similarly as version. So version or version, and then version or version. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.